Hello. So I've been kind of recently looking at getting an evac bag or a go bag together, and one of the sections in that, I suppose, is like a personal hygiene kit. So I went on Temu and bought this large size microfiber towel. Measures 160 centimeters by 80 centimeters, so it's a large size towel, and it cost me £5.17, and it is that weird microfiber stuff. I have literally just had a shower and dried myself with this towel just to give it a test. I gotta say, microfiber feels absolutely horrible to get dried with. It just feels really weird. It's nowhere near as nice as using a normal big cotton bath towel, but the size of this thing, this is a large size cotton bath towel. It's absolutely massive. You don't want to be trying to pack one of these in your bag. Got a set of scales here, but they only go up to 500 grams and it's too heavy for that. I would estimate this at around about a kilogram for a large size cotton bath towel. It's absolutely massive. It's heavy. This one, like I say, I have just had a shower with it, so it is a bit damp still, although it's drying already. Getting that one at 413 grams. So again, bear in mind this is slightly damp still, so it'll weigh less than that when it's dry. I would say probably under 400 grams. I can squeeze into a tiny package. I would say, although this feels awful for use, I wouldn't want to use this on the daily. But in an emergency situation, to have something super light, super quick drying to shove into your go bag, evac bag or whatnot, microfiber towel like this is a great option. £5.17 from Temu. What do you reckon?